demo video of our Cuff for TB Android application. And this Android application is made to assess people for pulmonary tuberculosis based on their cough sounds and certain symptom questions. This application is available in two languages, primarily English and Hindi. So I'll be using English for the demo. Once you select the language, it will take you to a privacy policy page. Once you select that, there is this mobile number. I'll type in any random 10-digit number, get OTP. This is our demo OTP. So now here is a registration page. You have to fill in your registration details. It's in January. Mail. So, level of posting. So as this application is for healthcare workers, so depending upon the level of posting, state, district, or TB unit, designation, district TB officer, state, Delhi, district, BSHS clinic, TB unit, PHI. Okay, done. Now this is the home page of our application. We need to access someone else. So once you click select the checkbox, it will ask for the participant details information. Again, any 10-digit mobile number, participant, date of birth, March 2nd, 2012, gender female, height 5 feet 2 inches, let's say weight 60 kgs. Now there are certain symptom questions like do you have fever or not? Let's say no. Do you have loss of appetite? Yes. A week or 7 days. Okay. Next, have you lost weight without trying? No. Do you experience shortness of breath frequently? Yes, at times. Let's say 30 days. Do you recently experience chest pain? No. Do you have night sweats? No. Do you have cough? Yes. 15 days. Let's say. Do you find presence of blood? No. Now there are certain instructions that you need to follow. This the next page will be your cough recording. So you have to follow these instructions in order to record your cough sounds. It will ask for your microphone. Yes, see third cough sound. This background is background sound for denoising the cough sounds. Next. Now there is this review page. In case you want to change your options that you selected earlier, like I have to change the fever duration. I will select it as 4 days. Okay. Yeah. So now the fever is since 4 days. So you can review your selected options here and submit your application. It will make a call to the inference, and this is the result. The participant is not likely to have pulmonary tuberculosis. Now, what the participant should do next, and there are certain frequently asked questions related to tuberculosis. So, in case you want to know, you can click on this drop down and read those. So, this was it. Hope you liked the video. Thank you.